Alright, y'all, so it's gonna be hard to see, but doing an exhaust update. Not gonna be able to see it, but you might just a little bit. So I'm Catless. And I'm running straight pipe. What? Anyway, I'm Catless and I'm running straight pipe. That's why my car is so loud. So no exhaust. What do you even call it? I didn't buy no exhaust or nothing. It's just straight pipe and Catless. So that's why my V6 is so freaking loud right now. Start it for y'all, but it's gonna. I'll start it for y'all, but it's gonna kick off in just a second. So the reason, what the fuck? His door's open. So close the door. So this is exhaust. So that's just my exhaust work done. It's straight pipe Catless. So for everyone asking how I got it done, that's how I got it done. But I got new mods coming soon, so you guys just stay tuned. So for everyone asking about the exhaust and what I did, that's what I did. So like, subscribe, turn that post bell notification on so y'all know every time I make another video. Thanks for the love.